to today's video. So today I'm going to be trying the pasta crisp thing in the air fryer. I don't know how it's going to go. It probably go badly because if anything to go by with the chickpeas, that won't great. But I'm going to give it a go. So I've got about 3 or 4 ounces ish by eyeballing it of cooked and cooled pasta in a bowl, and I'm going to be using this Fry Light 1 cow golden sunflower oil. So I'm going to spray a few spritz on this like that, and I'm going to mix it up just to give it a good oil. This is probably going to go as badly as chickpeas, to be honest, but I'm going to give it a go. I really wanted to give it a try. So I'm going to actually pop this in the air fryer for a bit before the flavouring, I think. See how that goes. So what I'm going to do now is just get hold of the air fryer basket. I have preheated this to 180 for a few minutes, so I'm going to pop these in there. All nice and flat. You can't really see it. And I'm going to pop these on for... I'm going over there, you won't see me. I'm thinking 180 or not, no, 170 I think, for 10 minutes. I'm going to go for 10 minutes. So I'm popping them on for 10 minutes and we'll see how it goes, and I'll be back with you then. Okay, so this is after 10 minutes. Now I have started to go a bit more harder, so I'm hopeful. I'm really hopeful. I have tried one. So now what I'm going to do, and this is after 8 minutes, I did check it before the 10 minutes was up. I'm going to spray this oil on them again. I'm going to give them a shake though, because they're hot. And now I'm going to pop on some all-purpose seasoning. Now this is just a blend of paprika, dried onion and black pepper. So I'm going to put some of this on. Just use your own discretion. Now I'm going to get my hand in there now. Now let's just use this towel. That's so handy, someone put that there for me, isn't it? I'm going to pop on a little bit more of this, not too much. About 1/4 teaspoon, I'd say. So I'm going to pop them back in the air fryer. I'm going to give them about 8 minutes on the same temperature. And we'll see where we're at then. And here they are. I am so impressed with myself. Honestly, I'm so happy. Ignore the crappy nails, by the way. These work, really work, but not with the instructions you actually get. Here's my face. You actually get on these videos and stuff. You know, you got to go with your own discretion. That is why I put them in oiled plain for a bit before I put the flavouring on. So what I did, I popped them in for 8 minutes originally, as I told you, but I checked them at 5. I showed you me oiling them again and then putting the flavouring on, and then I popped them in for another 5 minutes. After that 5 minutes, they were sort of there but not quite, so I didn't want to do them for too long, so I turned it from 170 to 165 and popped them in for 3 minutes longer. And this is what we got. So I'm going to try one of these for you. I've already had a couple. These are so good. These are amazing. Oh my goodness. You can use any flavouring you want. These are just so good. And a really budget, healthy snack. Really budget. Really, really well worth doing. These are well worth doing. They really are. These work so well. As you can see, not burnt, not nothing. They're just golden. That is why I wanted to tweak it and see if it worked better another way. Because the chickpeas definitely did not work the way that I saw. So I wanted to just give these more of a tweak. I'm very glad I have. These are gorgeous. Really nice. Really flavoured. They ought to be lucky to get a look in on them in a minute. You'll wake up, I'll say, I've done the pasta thing, it was amazing. And he'll go, where are they? I'll say, well, I ate them. Because I didn't do too many. So, nom, very good. You'd think they'd be really hard and hard to chew and stuff, but they're just not. They're really good. So, the moral of the story is, don't believe YouTubers that are telling you lies. Watch me. No. Think about it. Tweak it. Do it your way, basically. And you'll get it right. I'm very happy with those. So anyway, I'm going to go. Please do all the good stuff if you want to. Please press the thumbs up button if you want to. I won't force you to do anything here. I'm sorry, I've got all that on the corner of my mouth. I won't force you to do anything here. It's your decision and your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you have already. I will see you again next time. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.